Welcome everyone, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com with our latest card kit reveal and inspiration. This one's called Sunshine Flowers and it's pretty special to do an early kickoff for Stamptember. So in this kit you're going to get two 6x8 stamp sets. Two of them. Can you believe that? So I'm going to start off with the Sunshine Flower stamp set, and this has some really gorgeous illustrated flowers and also a nice swag or an arrangement at the bottom. The jar of flowers is pretty unique because the messages at the top that have a curve, they fit perfectly into the banner that is illustrated on the jar. So they have that sloping style so you can stamp whichever message you want onto your jar. The second stamp set is one huge stamp of sunflowers. This is called Sunflower Garden, which is beautifully illustrated, perfect for watercoloring and your Copic markers. It has some nice bold messages along with some really fine messages that you can mix and match together for your card making. We're also including a new die, and this is Happy Birthday. It is two pieces, and it's perfect if you want to cut out two different colors of paper at a time. The papers for this kit are from P13, and we say you're going to get 6 sheets, but on that cover sheet you'll have this one sheet that has these pieces that you can cut apart and do some collage. So that's a bonus. And then you have your regular 6 sheets. And I'll flip through these. I haven't separated them out yet. So we have some greens with some strawberries, and on the back side is a really beautiful gold paper that has a light filigree image on the back side, kind of tone on tone. Then we have some bright pink flowers, and on the back side of that is some really dainty little flowers and great for background paper. Also, we have a sheet that is daisy wreaths, and on the background of that is fresh cut flowers. The next sheet features beautiful flowers in an arrangement and also a little VW bug. And on the back side of that is flowers all around the outside. And this next sheet has those little pieces that you can cut up and put onto your cards. And the back side has that tone on tone filigree look. And then another sheet that has the flowers arranged in the top corner and bottom, and the back side is green filigree tone on tone. Another bonus is you're going to get another sheet that you can cut up. This is the back sheet of the paper pad. And you can use these to do some simple collage or cut up and pop up some of the elements onto your cards. You'll also receive a sheet of the Tim Holtz Ideology Sentiment Label stickers, and these peel up and they have that adhesive back, and they also have that raised lettering like a Dymo tape. And there's so many messages on here there for every day. It'll keep you card making forever. So there's love and shine brightly, missing you, thinking of you, congratulations, something for everyone. Another item that we're including are 8 rolls of the Tim Holtz Ideology design tape, and this is the rose. And there's so many really beautiful tapes. These come in a tube, which you can keep and store them in, and they're really lightweight tissue tapes, so they are translucent, so the color of your paper will show through. To embellish your projects, we're also including a bottle of Ranger Liquid Pearls. You'll either get brass, copper, and some of you might even get some rose gold in your parcel. And next, you'll receive a Simon Says Stamp glue stick. This is really brand new. This is the first time we'll be releasing it. So you'll get one of those in your card kit. You can use that for your collage and putting your cards together. You'll also receive 3 envelopes. We have dull pink and bright white. And then you'll also receive a green leaf, and that's the metallic. And all 3 of these have that peel away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. And to finish the card kit off, you'll get 4 cardstocks. We have Sunshine, Green Apple, 110-pound Solar White, and Doll Pink. And up next, I have some inspiration for you using the contents of the kit from our designers. Callie created this amazing framed piece using the Sunflower Garden image for a no-line Copic coloring piece. I just love her idea of not just making a card, but create a project. Susan Opal created a slimline card using the papers, and she cut out some of those pieces and stacked them up together, and then stamped a message in the center. Susie Plantamera stamped and colored her sunshine flowers, and then placed them on some of those pattern papers with Happy Birthday at the top. Beth Opal cut up some of the papers to create a border on the side, and then she double die cut the Happy Birthday and cut out one of the butterflies and added it to her card. And finally, Cindy Norberg did a simple watercolor using the Sunflower Garden stamp. She backed her panel onto some pattern paper and stamped Happy Birthday at the top. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Sunshine Flowers. Be sure to check our blog, our card kit galleries, and social media for additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.